Happy long weekend, everyone. Rails, not a long weekend where you are. Oh, that's no good. Well, it is up here, but you know, when you work from home and your work is crafting, then every day is a holiday, really, because that's what it feels like. So anyway, wanted to do just a really quick one today. I don't want to keep you all very long today. Just wanted to run through, hey Karen, nice to have you join me. All right, I just wanted to run through my new online class. If you haven't seen it, something different. It's all about masks, this one. So with this class, you won't get a stamp set or a punch or framelits like you normally do, or paper. You will get the masks and lots of stuff to use with the masks, okay? So you'll get like the embossing paste, and here too in Adelaide. Is there a holiday there in Adelaide, Chrissy, or not? I can't quite understand. Sorry. I've lost my train of thought now. I shouldn't read comments, should I, and try and talk at the same time, because it just doesn't work. All right, you'll get the mask, you'll get the embossing paste, you will get spritzers and different stuff. Anyway, so you'll learn 5 techniques to use the masks in a really fun class. So this one comes with videos because it's too hard to try and type up what to do. So much easier to watch and to hear. So jump on my website, simplystampingwithnorelle.com, and look for the class and sign up. Registration closes on the 14th of October, because then a new class comes out on the 15th. So why do I have the catalogue in front of me? Well, because today is a really quick crafting session, and I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous flower that's on the front cover of the catalogue. I'll hold it up. Now I've got to wait for my camera to catch up, so if there's a pause, that's why, because what I'm seeing on the iPad is a little bit delayed. So I'm bringing it up anyway. Here, this flower here, beautiful big flower. And the reason I'm doing this today is because my products of the week this week are our beautiful punches. So I love our punches. They are so quick and easy to add layers. Just going to find where they are in the index at the back, page 186 to 188. And we have lots of punches. Now in here obviously are not the ones from the Christmas catalogue, but that's a snowman one and the tree one and the Christmas ornaments one in the Christmas catalogue. But all these wonderful punches that we have, lots and lots. And over here we have the builder punches, which are really cool as well. Do lots of great things with them. But the reason I'm doing this project, because you use a punch for this one, as well as some die cuts, but I'll forgive them for using die cuts on my punch week, but that's okay. So to make this flower, you're going to need this balloon punch, which is really, really cool. And who would have thought looking at this punch you can make a flower from it, but you can. And you'll also need the Magnolia memory dies, because you're going to use a couple of these shapes, all right? Quick and easy, this flower. Really, really easy. Let me just grab... Oh no, I've got a landslide on my desk. All right, so I've already pre-cut out the pieces, and here's my flowers that I made. So I made a lovely white one, and then I thought I'd like to make a coloured one. Now, I didn't like how my coloured one came out, all right? So I used Stampin' Blends on this, but I really didn't like it. It's not got the look that I wanted from it. So today I'm going to try something different and use a sponge dauber to colour the petals and see if I can get a different look. But anyway, how you make this, so easy. All right, I've got all my other bits and pieces already pre-cut so that I didn't want to waste a lot of your time, because it's more about the assembling. All right, so they're my pre-cut pieces ready to go. For each flower, you need 5 of these balloons. All right, so really easy, can't get any easier. 1, 2, 3. And I'm sure you could do something with all these extra little bits that pop out. 5. All right, so there's my 5 balloons. And I had actually thought these little triangles that you get cut out, if you had the time and the inclination, these would look cool on a plain cardstock, just if you get them on the right angle. You know, like make a geometric pattern on a card. So if someone had like hours to spend doing that, they would make really cool pattern on a card front. But I don't have that much time, so someone else has to do that idea for me because I don't have the patience for that. All right, now what you're going to do is grab your bone folder, put them in the bin rails, yeah. And you're just going to bend your petals, give them a bit of shape. So you just put the bone folder on one side, your thumb on the other, and pull. All right, and just, there you go, you have a shaped petal. Really easy. The fibers in the paper break down quite quickly, so you don't have to sit there forever doing it. All right, simple. Now the other pieces you need is one of these, which is from the Magnolia Memory dies. And you can see my dies, like, I don't worry about the sticking them back in where they need to go. Normally I take the tape off the packet altogether because it gets stuck to the plastic. So a lot of my dies will actually, this tape will either be taken off or I'll have another bit of cardboard stuck on top so they can just all loosely sit in here. I don't care if they're organised. I just need to get to what I want. So you'll need this die and this one. So one of those and two of these because you're going to layer them. And then you've got the flower centres. So you've got the bigger centre and then the smaller centre. Okay? So they're the pieces that you need from the dies. Like I said, I've already cut mine out, so no need to spend the time doing that because that would be a bit boring for you to all watch. So we won't worry about that right now. That's done. Now we need our silicone craft mat, which I forgot to get out. So 1 second. All right, our silicone craft mat. And then when you glue them, the little tip to get them all evenly spaced. So I just put glue on this first one. So it's just on the tip here of the balloon. And when you're going to lay them up, you'll see this line here, you're going to put along that edge of the balloon. So, and that means that this, it doesn't go straight on. It's like a little bit curved because this here is curved. Am I making any sense? That's how I found. So you'll see they butt up perfectly. So if I try and bring that up to the camera, all right, so you can see, I don't know if you can see, I've got to wait for it to catch up, so hang on a minute, bear with me. Do you want some elevator music? Dun, 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 dun. No, that sounds like a cavalry music. Oh my goodness. All right, so they're sort of like butted up there. Anyway, that's how I did it and that worked. So glue, petal, and I use a silicone mat so I don't get it stuck to my work surface because I'm using quite a bit of glue here. I want them to stay stuck. So it will ooze out. All right, and there's our last one. I've curled them a little bit much. This one doesn't want to go in. All right, there's our base. How easy is that? Now you can put dimensionals between your layers if you want, but I found I actually liked it without the dimensionals. So now, big blob of glue in the middle. We are just going to curl this one up a little bit. So the next one on is the bigger one, straight in the middle. Now you all know I'm not one for precision, so just whack it in there. All right, and then these two, again, just curl them a little bit. Glue in the middle. Now I'm going to sort of off-center this one, or offset this one to these petals that I just put down. Now before I put the next one on, I'm going to grab my crushed curry ink pad and a yellow dauber. And I found the best dauber storage, our wood mount cases. Brilliant. Well, they're thick. We don't have wood mount anymore. But you know what I'm trying to say. The thick cases, they're brilliant. Like, look at that. Wonderful. Still so much in them. Alright, so just a little bit of ink. Yeah, I'm going to sponge the next one, Rails. But this one here, whoops, I've got one here, is just showing you how to do that, like recreate this one. So I just wanted a little bit of yellow in the middle for a bit of depth to the center. So these are not hard. If you're going to have like a party or something, these would be a cool like accessory on the table, scattered around the table. They don't take long to make. You get a production line happening. Cut all your pieces first and then glue them all, and yeah, it'd be really quick to do. I think they look really pretty if you knew someone was having a wedding. Now, of course, once they're dried a bit, you can pop up these ones if you want them to sit up like a bit more curled. So they do get a little bit flattened if you're a bit heavy-handed gluing them like I am, because I'm trying to do it in a hurry, so I have to keep this very long. Then we stick on the big center, yellow center. So they're really, really simple. And then the next yellow center. And just sort of offset, I'm having trouble saying that word today. Offset them a little bit. And then in the middle, I've used these really funky centers, the Perennial Essence Floral Centers. These are really cool. I love them. So I don't think they're just for the Perennial Essence suite. I think they work brilliantly in these flowers. And they've got the sticky bit already on the back. So you're just going to peel that off. If my eyes wanted to work today, I can actually see what I'm peeling. And then in the middle. How cool is that? So quick and easy. If I hadn't talked so much and gabbed on, that would have been done so much quicker. And there we have two beautiful flowers. So for the next one, I am going to try and colour. So again, 5 petals, 2, I'm going to need more paper, 3, I can't bother getting in there, let's just grab another bit, 4 and 5, right, here we go. Now with this one, I am just going to try Flirty Flamingo because that's the colour that I used for the blends. But I didn't obviously spend enough time getting it shaded nicely. So I just wanted to see, this may not work, like, you know, but I just wanted to see if I can get a bit of more of a subtle look happening. Probably not. This may need a little bit, oh, well, no, look what I did. Maybe a little bit more experimentation with this. So I know what I'm trying to achieve, but I just can't seem to get it. So I was a bit heavy-handed in that. Sponging then. Oh, never mind, no petal in nature is perfect, is it? So, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to achieve. You know what probably would have been, oh no, I was going to say what would have been better is if I had sponged the cardstock first, but then I wouldn't have got the colour on each petal, hey, it would have just been generally pink. Let me try going from this angle. Yeah, it might be better. That's a bit better, hey. Alright, so let's sponge these two, just so that we have a bit of colour on them. Yeah, and maybe I should have gone round on that, unlike those other ones. Live and learn is what I say. And when you're crafting, there's no right and wrong. So, you know, it's all about getting in and having fun, experimenting. There we go. I've coloured. So obviously you could take a little bit more time and a bit more care and end up with a better result, but you know, I'm having fun. Thank you everyone who is watching. Don't forget to let your friends know. They might learn something. And everyone who comments goes into the draw for a little prize. So it's always worthwhile. Even if you just pop in and say hello. If you're shy, just say hello. All good. Alright, here we go. Gluing time. See how quick and easy these are? You get heaps done. Like, heaps done. And I would never have thought to use the balloon punch to make flowers. Like, I love that there's creative people out there who can think outside the box and come up with these great ideas and are only too willing to share. Amazing. All right, and then our next layer. Super quick and easy. One more layer, then our center, and this flower is done. I think I actually like this pink one better than the one with the blends. I don't know why. I think it was a bit softer, even though I didn't sponge it very well. Yay, nearly done. I've just got something to put in the center. What can I put in the center? Let's try another one of those dots. See, I've got all my things in here. Where'd they go? Oh, where'd they go? Oh, they're not in here. Oh, no. I lost my centers. What do I do with them? A sequin won't look the same, will it? No. Where did I put them? Oh well. I'll have to put a one of these in the middle. Yeah. A frosted flower embellishment. Let's try one of them in the middle. There we go. Oh, wait. Hang on. Oh, I took it off without it sticky. Wow, that wasn't very good, was it? Try that again. Here we go. Done. Oh, look, there they are. They were hiding. Oh, never mind. There we have it. That's how you make those flowers on the front cover. Really, really easy. Lots of fun. And I couldn't believe they were made with a punch and just a couple of dies. So there you go. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I hope you have a lovely rest of your long weekend, if it's a long weekend where you are. And I'll see you all here next week. Have a great day. Catch you later. Bye-bye.